Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you the new option in Inventor Camp 2011 of improvements in solid turn geometry selections. We've now made it a lot easier to choose a solid geometry off of a turning part. If I were to go into my turning operation and say go into turning, when we go to define, we have the option here of doing either a wireframe or choosing from the solid. We'll go to choosing from the solid and then we'll do define. Now in the window that opens up, we have two options. We have automatic selection or manual selection. If I were to do automatic selection, and let's say I want to turn the part from this face over here all the way to this face over here, all I have to do is click on the first face, and as you can see that was chosen over here, and now I click on the last face and my geometry was automatically created around that solid. The second option we have is manual selection. If I were to click on manual selection, then I have to choose each face. I can start off by choosing this face here, and you can see that face turns up in my dialog. I can click on this face, I can click on this face, and I can click on this face. Then I have every single face with the geometry created. If I were to click again, say on this face, as if I was taking out that face, what happens is it automatically puts itself up to skip that face, and it goes up to the next section. Click on it again, and it will come back like a toggle switch. Now, as far as the control of how it works going from this point to this area over here, we have complete control of that over here with the close gaps option. Right now, the default is closing gaps the way it does, goes directly up and then across. But we also have the option of first going across and then going up, which as you can see is not meant for this case. And also, in this particular case, we can go directly from that point to that point over there, which also in this case is not what we need. So we'll put it back at this area over here, and then we're back to the way I can actually turn this. In addition, both automatic and manual selection, we have the option of start extension and end extension. So I can have my start extension say at 4 millimeters, and as you can see, my start has extended 4 millimeters, and at my end extension I can have that say at 3 millimeters, and you can see that it has extended itself by 3 millimeters. Again, if I click back on this face over here, it'll include that in my geometry. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.